How to check disbursement account in Cash Express. Follow the instructions. Log into your Cash Express account using your username and password. Go to the main dashboard after successful login. Look for the menu on the left or top of the screen. Click on the Transactions or Disbursement tab depending on your system setup. Wait for the page to load the disbursement-related options. Click on the option that says Account Details or Disbursement Account. If there is a filter option, use it to select branch or date range if needed. Click on the View or Search button to display the results. Wait for the system to show the list of disbursement accounts. Look through the list to find the account you want to check. Click on that account to view more details. Review the account name, bank account number and balance displayed on screen. Thank you for watching.